কিমি, হেমি, ডেকামি, মি, ডেসিমি, semi and mimi. What are these? These are the units of distance. Kimi means kilometer, hemi means hectometer, decami means decameter, m means meter, decimi means decimeter, semi means centimeter, mimi means millimeter. So these are the units of distance, and each unit holds the gap of 10. So 10 into 10 into 10 into 10 into 10. Suppose we are converting the units from the right hand side to left hand side, then we have to divide. Means if we are converting from the right hand side to left hand side, if we are converting any unit from right hand side to left hand side, then we have to divide. Suppose we are converting any unit value of millimeter to the meter. We have to convert it from millimeter to meter. Then we have to divide, and by which number we have to divide? We have to divide with 10 into 10 into 10, because there are 3 gaps in between the millimeter and meter. How many gaps are there? 3 gaps are there between millimeter to meter. So in these 3 gaps, there are 3 tens. So we have to multiply 10 into 10 into 10, that is 1000. So we have to divide by 1000 to convert any unit from millimeter to meter. The same thing, if we want to convert it any unit from meter to kilometer, again how many gaps are there? 3 gaps are there. So 10 into 10 into 10, that is 1000. We have to divide this meter value by 1000 to convert it into kilometer. That's why I am saying, if we want to convert any unit from the right hand side to left hand side, then we have to do division. Same thing, if we want to convert any unit from left hand side to right hand side, then we have to multiply. This is the division, this is the multiplication. Okay, so suppose the same thing, if we want to convert this kilometer to meter, we have to, how many gaps are there? 3 gaps are there. So 3 tens values are there. We have to multiply 10 into 10 into 10, that is 1000. So we have to multiply with the 1000 to convert any unit from kilometer to meter. Same thing, if we want to convert any unit from meter to millimeter or meter to suppose centimeter, then for meter to centimeter, how many gaps are there? 2 gaps are there. So 2 gaps means 2 tens. So 10 into 10 is 100. So we have to multiply the meter value into 100 to convert it into centimeter. So this is the concept. Now we have to express the 35 millimeter into centimeter. So 35 millimeter means this unit, and centimeter means this unit. So how many gaps are there from millimeter to centimeter? The gap is 1, that holds 10. So it is from right hand side to left hand side. So we have to, it is from right hand side to left hand side. So we have to do division. So we have to divide this 35 by 10 to make it, to convert it into centimeter. So it will be 35 divided by 10 centimeter. So 35 millimeter means 35 divided by 10 centimeter. Now we have to convert it in decimal value. The same thing, we have to write the numerator first. Then how many zeros are there? 1 0 is there. So 1 0 means one number from the right hand side. So one number from the right hand side means we have to consider only this 5. And we have to put the value of 1 as a point. So after the one number from the right hand side, we have to put point before this 5. That is 3.5 centimeter. This is your answer.